In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Tango Live. As you can see right here, we have in here the article from Tango themselves about their new payout platforms. So based on this picture, we have payout platforms for Visa, Rapid, and Pioneer. So in here, we can see all of the methods. We have MasterCard Virtual Card. Type is virtual card, processing time is around 24 hours. This is the same as Visa. For Faxum, which is an e-wallet, it takes up to 3 days. AirWallex takes up to 3 days as well for bank transfer. Tipalti and PayPal takes around 3 to 5. WebMoney is 3 days. We also have in here bank transfer, Gcash, which takes around those times as well. Crypto only took around 24 hours. Meanwhile, Pioneer, PIX, and bank transfer in Nigeria is around 3 days. You can see the full list right here so you can choose what kind of withdrawal method you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.